All right, so yeah, go ahead.
So my name is Paul Litardo. I am a partner and the operations officer here for Motr Grafx. Motr Grafx has been in business for 22 years now. We started out as a small company, just 3 people, 3 laptops on a kitchen island, just brokering work. That's what we did, brokering work. And in order for us to grow, we knew we had to start buying equipment, so we started buying, HP, we started buying digital printers, and then our biggest thing that we do is direct mail. We do a lot of direct mail for a lot of different companies. So, but with that, we started getting, hey, can you also do the in-store signage? Can you also do outdoor signage? So we started doing a lot of that, started brokering a lot of that, but then we started seeing that, hey, you know what, we could bring some equipment in-house and start doing it ourselves, right? So throughout the years, we had different equipment, different printing equipment, different cutting equipment. And so most recent now, we bought, the Fuji large format printer.
And why the Apex M series?
So, when I started, I went to a trade show this was in Vegas last year, and I looked at all the different brands. I looked at Colex, I looked at Kongsberg, I looked at Multicam, I think it was the other one. And so I've been very happy with what we got out of our little sheet-fed digital die cutter, that I wanted to dive deeper into what was available with the Apex. And so when I saw the demo of the Apex and saw what it could do with the speeds, I think the speeds is really what got me on the Apex, because we want to be able to do high output, high volume work, and we don't want there to be a bottleneck. And we figured a 10-foot bed, being able to put 2 sheets on there and just jump over to the next sheet while we're unloading the first sheet. The Apex M, with its speed and the versatility and the power of the milling, is just why we went that direction, And for what you're getting for such a giant machine, the cost is unbeatable. You can't beat it in the market. You guys have really helped us out a lot. CUTWORX has been, like I said, Quentin's been great. He's always stayed on top of me, but also been respectful of my time and whatnot. So, now you guys even giving me more education on what else we can do with the equipment we have, or with other equipment that you guys have. I mean, that to me is a true partnership.